Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can buy Robux with a Cash App, so let's get right into it. Now, this isn't directly available through Cash App, however, you can very easily do this, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna need a Cash App card, which you can use as a Visa debit card for any other payments you might want. You can use this to buy Robux in the same way you would buy Robux with a standard credit card or debit card, so it really isn't that complicated. But I'll also be going through this play-by help article simply to explain to you guys how that is done. Now, what you need to do to actually purchase with using the Cash App Cash Card, and if you're under 18 you will need to be sponsored, or if you're over 18 you just need an activated Cash Card, which is very easily done. You can just sign up for it, and before the physical one even appears, you will have access to your Cash Card on Cash App. However, you will need to activate it with the QR code you get with the physical card. However, if you just want to buy it immediately, you can use it very easily as well. All you need to do is load money onto your Cash App account, then go to an online retailer and find Roblox gift cards. For example, you can do so on Amazon or anywhere else. Then you're going to need to purchase a Roblox gift card with the amount of money you loaded on your Cash App, and then receive the digital code for the gift via email. Then all you need to do once you get the gift code, go to the Roblox website, log in, and redeem your gift card code to add the Robux to your account. And other than that, there is nothing else you need to do. It's really as easy as that, and there's nothing else to add. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.